AI will replace the ones who are not executing. It is as simple as that. Most people today feel overwhelmed, distracted, confused, very busy, but are not improving much. We have shallow learning. We are not understanding anything in depth. Degree and experience are sooner or later become sideline. If you are consuming X, you need to have at least 2x output. Today we'll talk about how to learn anything in today's world. इसमें we are not going to talk about any AI tool, we are not going to talk about any secret sauce जो अप्लाई करके कुछ सीख लोगे. कोई ऐसी काढ़ा नहीं है कि पी जाओगे तो शायद जल्दी सीखने लग जाओगे. This is more about the mindset that we should have like when we learn like anything new, because of our system वो थोड़ा सा crooked है in the given scenario. But if we start with, in last 7 days हम में से किसने intentionally कुछ नया सीखा है? 3 और कोई नहीं. क्या सीखा?
Recently I was watching कैमरा एंगल्स और शॉट्स के बारे में कुछ मूवमेंट्स समझ रही थी. जब अपन फिल्म डायरेक्ट करते हैं तो बेसिकली कौन से कैमरास के लिए होती है, कौन से शॉट्स होते हैं, कैसे एंगल्स यूज किए जाते हैं, उन सब के बारे में.
एंड ये कैसे सीखा?
ये मैं पढ़ी भी हूँ ऑलरेडी. मैं फ्री टाइम में था, मेरे पास और कुछ काम नहीं था, तो मैंने गो थ्रू करने के लिए सो दैट टू हैव माय सेल्फ रिविजन, तो मैंने उनके बारे में पढ़ा. उनसे पढ़ते पढ़ते मुझे और कुछ ज़्यादा जानकारी मिली थ्रू एग्जांपल्स. जो मैंने सिर्फ देखा हुआ है मुझे पता लगता है उस चीज़ को बोलते भी क्या थे.
ठीक है, सब लोग याद रखेंगे. अनुष्का ऑलरेडी कंज्यूम समथिंग, उसके बाद शी आफ्टर कपल ऑफ डेज रिविजन करा एंड और चीज़ें उस पर टॉप अप करी. ठीक है, यहाँ पे अनुष्का स्टॉप्ड. ठीक है, क्या सीखा?
तो मैं थोड़ा टाइपोग्राफी के बारे में सीखा था जो आपने मेरे को फीडबैक्स दिए थे. देन उसके बाद में मैंने थोड़ा और ट्राई किया और चीज़ों कलर रीडिंग की देखा और फॉन्ट और क्या कहते हैं दो चीज़ थी फ़ॉन्ट्स की, और एक चीज़ होती है फ़ॉन्ट का डिफरेंस होता है टाइपफेस. तो उन चीज़ों में थोड़ा डिफरेंस पता चला था जो आपने मैं भूल गया था. तो वो चीज़ दोबारा याद रखी और करी. और कलर का ही मतलब मेनली कलर ग्रेडिंग का भी देखा था, जो वीडियो को कैसे कलर ग्रेड करना है प्रॉपर. ठीक है,
हैव यू ट्राइड इट समवेयर? कहीं पे ट्राई करा इस चीज को?
हाँ सर, आपने मैं थोड़ा ट्राई किया था, बट वो ये बस थोड़ा सा उसमें भी चेंजेस थे, बट उसको याद कर लूंगा.
ठीक है, ही कंज्यूम समथिंग, थोड़ा बहुत ट्राई करा. व्हाट अबाउट यू?
I have started learning how to present myself better, like in work.
मतलब उसमें करा क्या? बट
I have watched couple of videos. I have had a mentorship workshop as well. उसमें से सीखा, समझा, overall communication wise भी सीखा, and how to like present yourself as a personality भी सीखा.
So more or less you consumed everything. कुछ implement नहीं करा?
नहीं, धीरे धीरे I have started कि उसको हम in a daily basis कैसे implement कर सकते हैं with whatever I am.
Have you done it already कि like?
अभी मैंने styling wise थोड़ा थोड़ा सीखा है, कर रही हूँ in terms of my wardrobe. But
Okay.
And communication wise I've started reading things and
Okay.
blogs and videos and stuff.
Okay, ठीक है, थोड़ा कंज्यूम करा, थोड़ा सा इम्प्लीमेंट करा. ठीक है. If we talk about Elon Musk, Sundar Pichai, or all the big leaders, what is common in them? They keep on upgrading themselves. They keep on learning. They don't stop learning, right? But the reality is most people today feel overwhelmed, distracted, confused in most manner, very busy, but are not improving much, mentally scattered, all of these things. Why? Because the system is such, because the scenario is such, because too many things are happening at once, whether it's Instagram, whether it's a phone, or even in our life. Everything is happening in just like in a blink of an eye, जिसकी वजह से everything is moving too fast and we are like hardly getting any chance to like get good understanding of whatever is happening. We are just like trying to live with it and try to consume whatever is getting on our way without having much intention कि क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. Problem उसकी वजह से क्या हो रही है? We have shallow learning. Shallow learning is basically we are not understanding anything in depth. किसी ने बोल दिया Claude will kill video editors, तो वो अपन लोग देखने लगे Claude video editing में कैसे help कर रहा है. But we are not understanding the depth of it, because of which poor systems are coming up. Poor system as in we don't have a proper learning system. We don't have a proper feedback system. Same with execution loop and repetition as well. We are not repeating much enough because because every new thing is coming now and then. So these are a couple of the problems that are there, and world has actually changed because of this whole technology that is around us. Earlier degree एक advantage create करती थी. If you have X degree, you can get into Y company. If you have X experience, you can get into Y company. But now time is changing. Time is changing rapidly because of the technology. AI is changing so fast. Tools are changing. Information is free, because of which degree and experience are sooner or later become sidelined. What you're learning in college might not be relevant because college is a huge system. They cannot adapt that fast, right? So world has already changed. World has already gone into this space where adaptation matters more rather than your degree, rather than your experience. So industries are changing slow, but when you talk about AI coming in, industry is changing faster. Earlier industry was little slower than what is happening right now. So पहले और अब में बस यही difference है. Things were a little slower because there was not proper system, feedback loop was broken. On top of it, the technology was there. It was like one-sided technology. I'm not sure if you have heard of what was Web 1 and Web 2.0. Web 1 में एक ही डायरेक्शन में होता था, like whatever is there on the internet you can just consume it. Then there was Web 2.0 जहाँ पे you can also communicate, you can put down your comments, and we are in the era of Web 3.0 where more immersive experience is there. Like I'm sure you have heard of AR and VR, right? That has like more immersion into the whole scenario. That being said, AI also coming in, it's more of like fast moving pace. The world no longer rewards knowledge, it rewards people who learn fast, because world is changing. People appreciate people who actually can learn fast. अगर एक छोटा सा example ले ले, let's suppose Claude launched skills today, and if Sahil can go out and learn everything about it and come back to us and say कि skill को हम ऐसे implement कर सकते हैं, skill को implement करने से हम ये चीजें achieve कर सकते हैं, trust me, everyone will appreciate it. So it's not like your experience or knowledge will not be appreciated, but people are appreciating this more. Even on internet also, people who are saying Claude will kill video editor, everyone is like kind of attracted to it, listening to it, क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. So whomsoever is learning fast, putting out their opinion fast in terms of whatever new is coming, are getting appreciated. So इसका bottom line क्या है, like how we can be updated regarding all of these AI tools. At least like we can have connected to people or subscribe to newsletter or maybe some channels वो जहाँ पे आप ये पढ़ सको. I'm sure आपके घर में पापा लोग न्यूज़ पढ़ते होंगे. हम लोग जब छोटे थे, we always looked up like that कि ये क्या करते हैं, इसमें क्या ही आता है. But they always kept reading those newspaper to keep themselves updated. They have learned this throughout their life, like to be updated about their industry, if not about just industry, about the society itself. You have to have some input into your system, and that system was created by news channel, newspaper, and even like TV series and all of that. But now that newspaper has changed to this social media, right? And that's why we are consuming. This is a good power in our hand. We can access any information whatever we want, right? We can access like literally anything. We can look into anyone's life, whatever they are posting. उनका experience हमें पता चल सकते हैं. But अगर फायदे हैं तो नुकसान भी हैं. And most of us actually fall on the other side, जहाँ पे we are just doom scrolling, we are consuming what we don't have control on. Focus is very low. Similarly, marketing has changed. We are basically about marketing itself. Like our agency talk particularly about marketing itself. Earlier बड़े कैंपेन होते थे, बड़े कैंपेन ज़्यादा होते थे. स्लोअर प्रोडक्शन रेट था, स्लो प्रोडक्शन स्पीड थी, क्योंकि इट एक्चुअली रिक्वायर्स 80 लोगों की टीम, 100 लोगों की टीम टू प्रोड्यूस अ सिंगल एड ऑफ 30 seconds और अ मिनट. फ्यूअर क्रिएटिव आउटपुट्स थे बिकॉज एग्जीक्यूशन वॉज स्लो. With AI coming in, with technology coming in, execution बहुत fast हो गया है, iteration बढ़ गया है. We can also see it, the kind of work that we are producing for the client has drastically gone up. The number of creatives we are producing on daily basis has drastically gone up. उसमें भी it's a good split between AI and like traditional editing and designing, right? It's all because कि AI आ गया है, we can execute faster, we can iterate faster. Everyone is doing it, so everyone wants to keep up with it. They want to create too many content pieces so they can test better. Right? So speed is like again going higher and higher because of these tools. Creativity is not going anywhere, but these tools are helping us produce faster. But to understand or to create these assets at a faster pace, we need to understand tools as well, and we need to understand subject as well. Subject knowledge is not going anywhere. Marketing क्या हो गया? Always on content, constant testing हो रही है, platform native storytelling हो रही है, high creative volume है, rapid iteration है. All of what we spoke about, and with that rapid stimulation is happening. Rapid stimulation is more of like what our brain is actually constantly trained upon. The reel, the short form content, whatever you are seeing around the world, that उसने Nike का ये shoes ले लिया, so on and so forth. most of the data or most of the points that you see around yourself, it is based on how you are influenced by the people around your data or whatever you are consuming around you. It's because of constant scrolling, instant dopamine. उसने जूता ले लिया, मैं भी ले लेता हूँ. That's an instant dopamine. किसी पे कुछ गलत कमेंट कर देता हूँ, instant dopamine. I don't like that guy, कमेंट कर देता हूँ. इसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है? फोकस नहीं है. Focus is actually zero. Right now, working, sitting for like a longer period is getting hard. एक नोटिफिकेशन आ जाता है, I started talking to that person, कॉल आ जाता है, I pick it up, have a couple of rounds, उससे बात करने लगता हूँ. मोमेंटम ब्रेक होने का चांस अब बढ़ गया है, right? Because of which वो deep work भी मुश्किल हो गया है. We are pretty much becoming more reluctant to deep work. When you talk about deep work is some or the other way related to new learnings. New learnings as in like whatever you know, if you want to execute X, you have to like revolve around whatever you learn. अगर जो आता है और उसके बेस पे मैं decision ले सकता हूँ, उसमें deep work is not required as much. Experience है, deep work is not required as much. Deep work is required when you are trying to execute something that you haven't done earlier. Learning feels slower. Only because हमारा जो input है, whatever we are trying to consume, it's not focused, it is not coming from a single source. I'll say कि अगर मैं कोई वीडियो देख रहा हूँ, अगर वो 12-15 मिनट की वीडियो है, I'll definitely pause it between couple of times. तभी long form consume करना is difficult and short form consume करना is way more easier. Attention is becoming rare, focus is becoming a superpower. People who are much more focused, they know what to do and how to do it, are the ones who will actually do it. The people who are just like कि मैं कुछ भी कर लूँगा, कैसे भी कर लूँगा, इसको ऐसे कर लेते हैं, इसको वैसे कर लेते हैं, they are the ones who will just stay at the same state without learning anything new. And I'm sure ये सारी चीजें like you guys are like feeling it, but we don't have a solution to it. Like most of the time जब हम doom scrolling करने लगते हैं, उसके थोड़ी देर बाद realize होता है कि हाँ यार ये तो नहीं करना चाहिए, या ये ऐसी चीज है which we can actually skip and we are just ended up wasting time. But with this actually comes the major or a bit more serious part. So skill acquisition is not about IQ. It's more of EQ thing. IQ is more of like how well you can solve a problem, how well you can memorize things. It majorly depends upon your logic, memory and problem solving skills. That is IQ. ठीक है? किसी ने कुछ बोला, how well we understand it and logically solve it. That's more of IQ. EQ is like whatever emotionally you feel. बुरा लग रहा है, गुस्सा आ रहा है, feeling ashamed, feeling like थोड़ा सा embarrassed. All of this come under EQ. These are emotion. अब इमोशन को हाउ वेल यू मैनेज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन ईच सिनेरियो, दैट इज व्हाट EQ इज. गर्ल्स लव हाई EQ गाइस क्योंकि दे कैन परफॉर्म बेटर व्हेन दे आर इमोशनली क्राउडेड. वरना लड़कों का क्या होता है, दे जनरली लाइक just snap and just switch off themselves when they are in a situation where they cannot deal with things. It's not just about girls, like everyone actually love when the other guy can handle their emotional feeling. And when we talk about acquiring a skill, why is it more about emotional and like not intellectual skill? Because we are trained in that manner. If we learn new things, we'll like have multiple failures at first and that will make us feel stupid. And if it will make us feel stupid, we will feel embarrassed. And no one wants to feel embarrassed. No one wants to be like have that kind of feeling where other guys saying you are stupid. And where we have got this feeling from? Anyone, any idea? कहाँ से आया ये? करेक्ट, स्कूल से आया. स्कूल में क्या होता था, लाइक दे विल टेल यू like we'll have 5 exam, 5 subjects, each subject will have 2 chapters and you will have your exam on this date. You have only one chance to perform. उसके पहले you have 2 months for the input. You will keep on consuming and you will consume for next 60 days or 30 days, whatever the timeline is. And there will be one day when you will kind of vomit everything on the paper, and there will be another day when you will get your result and everyone will start calling you stupid. And post that, you will start feeling, you will have a sense of a feeling where you will be very reluctant to learning new things or maybe giving an exam and getting the result out of it, because you are afraid of that particular feeling, and that is more of emotional thing. Same happens with when you are learning new thing. You will start anything new today, you will fail couple of times, people will start calling you stupid. Remember when we started creating content, बोलने में problem होती थी. I'm sure like people must be thinking इसको बोलना भी नहीं आता है, कंपनी क्या चलेगा. कैन बी अ थॉट, राइट? बट अगर वहां पे वो इमोशनल बैरियर मेरे अंदर आ जाए कि मेरे बारे में लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं, मैं वहीं रुक जाऊंगा। एंड दैट व्हाट पीपल एक्चुअली डू, पीपल डोंट स्टार्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फियर। इट इज एज सिंपल एज दैट। ट्रस्ट मी, आप ये पूछ लो किसी से कि लाइक व्हाई आर यू नॉट स्टार्टिंग ऑन एनीथिंग न्यू, व्हाई आर यू नॉट ग्रोइंग, और व्हाई आर यू नॉट लर्निंग एनीथिंग न्यू, द ओनली फियर दे हैव इज कि लाइक ये तो मैं कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा, और अगर कर लूंगा तो मैं फेल हो जाऊंगा, मेरे से अच्छे लोग हैं वहां पे। आई एम श्योर ये सब होगा, बट द पॉइंट इज द डे यू ओवरकम दिस इमोशनल बैरियर ना, दैट्स व्हेन यू एक्चुअली बिकम more of a learning machine. People sitting at top, whether it's Sundar Pichai or Elon Musk, they do a lot more experiments than we do in a year. ठीक है, हम शायद एक करते होंगे तो वो 1000 कर रहे हैं, 1000 में वो शायद 999 में फेल हो रहे हैं, बट वो जो क्वांटिटी है ना, जिस स्पीड से वो एग्जीक्यूट कर रहे हैं और जिस स्पीड से वो फेल हो रहे हैं, वो क्वांटिटी एक्चुअली मेक देम अ ग्रेट पर्सन और अ लेजेंड, राइट? दैट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देम एंड अस. सो वी नीड टू स्टार्ट ट्राइंग मोर. And we need to start like putting this feeling aside कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, and like people will start feeling stupid about me. Moving on, there is this rule called 80-20 rule. Very common rule, very common rule. This is called Pareto rule. इसका बेसिक फंडा ये है कि like 20% of your input will get you 80% of your output. Let's suppose we have a team of 10 people. 2 लोग इतना काम कर देंगे कि अगर 100% प्रोड्यूस करना है, 2 लोग 80% प्रोड्यूस कर देंगे, बाकी 8 लोग will produce only 20% of it. And it happens. It happens everywhere. It's not just in the company. It's not just in the corporate world. It happens everywhere actually. It same happens with like the number of experiments they are running. 10 एक्सपेरिमेंट रन करेंगे, 8 will give them no result, or 8 will make them feel like this not gonna work. There will be 2 chances where they might have slight ray of hope. Even if I talk about examples, it says editing में pacing और storytelling. I'm sure आपको फोटोशॉप चलाना आता है, आफ्टर इफेक्ट चलाना आता है, बट इफ यू सी इट फ्रॉम अ लेंस, लाइक इफ समवन न्यू इज लर्निंग, आपको लगता होगा सर लाइक कितने सारे टूल्स हैं, राइट? कितनी सारी चीजें सीखनी है, बट इफ यू गेट इनटू द सिस्टम यू विल अंडरस्टैंड देयर आर ओनली 4-5 टूल वी आर यूजिंग ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन, एंड दिस actually stays true with everything else. This is not just with the software, not just with the corporate and all of that stuff. This stays true with everything. कि अगर मैंने फोटोशॉप के 4 टूल सीख लिए, उससे मैं सारी चीजें एग्जीक्यूट कर लूंगा. 10 चीजें आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स की सीख ली, उससे मैं सारी चीजें कर लूंगा. वेयर द लर्निंग स्टार्ट इज एक्चुअली आइडेंटिफाइंग ऑल ऑफ दीज common or most important tools. It could be tool, it could be any theory, it could be psychology, whatever it is. Whenever you start learning anything, you need to identify what are those things and how do you identify. We'll talk about that in a bit. But if you talk about 80-20 rule, these examples will tell you like what are the things that you actually need to focus on to get better at editing. Ads अगर लिखना है तो what do you need to look into it? AI में कर रहे हो तो what are the things that you need to look into it? Marketing में what are the things that you actually need to look into it, right? So if I talk about editing, pacing and storytelling, this is post when you understood the software, क्योंकि software master करना is just a 2 weeks 3 weeks time. Understanding software, obviously I'm not saying building a muscle memory where you can execute everything at a very fast pace. At least understanding of the UI, understanding what tools we need to use, how to use it, so on and so forth. 1 महीना ज़्यादा लगेगा, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं लगेगा. When you talk about writing ads, it's more of like कि if I can actually perfect hook and उसकी psychology में समझ लूँगा पूरे ad में क्या जाना है, I think that is a good starting point to like learn. When you talk about learning, right? Obviously इसमें it's not about कि this will make you expert, but this will give you a good boost in terms of like when someone will review your work, they will give you a good feedback saying कि हाँ, these are the things that are correct, but these are the things that you need to work upon. So there is a good dopamine there as well. And it's all about dopamine, right? How quickly you reach to that point where you say कि जो चीज़ मैंने नई शुरू करी थी उसमें I'm doing fairly well, and that's how you actually get to that zone जहाँ पे you keep on learning and you grow till a certain point where you become an expert. So there's a common saying, if you spend 10,000 hours for any particular thing, you will get good at it. But this is not the true line, or this is not the true research that was happened. This is given by Sir Ericsson long back, not sure when. So the original research was, if you spend 10,000 hours for a complex skill, you can actually master it. But we are not here to master anything. And when you talk about master, he was talking about those 1 or 2% or 1 or 2 people who can actually be at the very top of the hierarchy. So if you talk about Lender Pace, or if you talk about Roger Federer, he was talking about those people. क्योंकि 10,000 घंटे होते हैं 5 साल आपके, ठीक है? You actually don't need that kind of time. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of it, but you actually need only 20 hours. So 20 hours is basically 45 minutes per day for a month, because you cannot learn anything. Like you also have a capacity to consume in a day. So it's more of like you have to spend only 20 hours to get good at it, good at something. ठीक है, editing हो, copy हो, कुछ भी हो, to be decently good at any skill, you can spend 20 hours, 45 minutes a day for a month. एक दो दिन छुट्टी भी मार सकते हो. And when you talk about this, if you have already spent those 20 hours, then this should be the focus. उसके पहले maybe figuring out what's working, what's not working, what other people are doing, dissecting that should be the goal. Understanding the software, understanding why the software exists, what are the other softwares, so on and so forth, like will help you actually get to a point where you can actually jump to this. Even if I talk about designing I am mentioning understanding the user, like whom we are presenting and what we are communicating. These are the two actually more important point than learning Photoshop. Then there is like we talked about Ritika, Monish Katha and Anushka Katha. These guys consumed a lot, but output is not much. Jabki what rule says is like if you are consuming X, you need to have at least 2x output. Most of us consume, whether we are learning, book पढ़ रहे हो, whether you are reading blogs, YouTube देख रहे हो, whatever you are doing. अगर हम यहाँ बैठ के YouTube पे भी वीडियो देख रहे हैं, ट्यूटोरियल देख रहे हैं, we are just consuming and that's not gonna help. What's gonna help is the output. जितना ज़्यादा आप output produce करोगे, उतना ज़्यादा उस पर आप feedback ले पाओगे, उतना ज़्यादा आप उसको खुद reflect करके understand कर पाओगे, इसमें what needs to be like done better, and उस पर फिर reiterate कर पाओगे. But कंज्यूम अगर सिर्फ करते रहोगे तो नथिंग विल चेंज. इट विल ओनली गिव यू अनदर डोपामाइन हिट कि आई एम स्मार्टर देन द अदर पर्सन बिकॉज मुझे ये बस पता है. अभी अगर आप कंज्यूम करने आउटपुट या इंप्लीमेंट करने बोल दो तो नहीं हो पाएगा. सो देयर इज अ बेसिक फ्रेमवर्क. यू हैव इनपुट, then you reflect on it, like whatever input you have reflection on it, then you implement, then you share is more of like the more you share the more you know wale mentality. But these three things reflect, implement and share, that is more of output. Input is just like consuming whatever you want to consume. इसमें एक और चीज़ होती है, like when you talk about input should be of good quality. Like if you are watching a YouTube video, 6 मिनट देखा फिर बीच में आप फोन चलाने लग गए और अभी भी यूट्यूब वीडियो चल रहा है, दैट इज पैसिव लर्निंग, दैट वोंट हेल्प अगेन. सो योर क्वालिटी ऑफ इनपुट हैज गॉन डाउन बिकॉज देयर आर मल्टीपल डिस्ट्रैक्शन इन इट. इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि मैं देख रहा हूँ और मैं सिर्फ देख ही रहा हूँ, फोकस होकर देख रहा हूँ. अगर मैं फोकस होकर देख रहा हूँ देन दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज अ गुड क्वालिटी इनपुट. ठीक है, बट इफ आई एम मल्टीटास्किंग, it's not gonna help. I know this world is all about multitasking, but when you're learning, when you're figuring things out, focus on one thing. Have a good quality input, then have different set of outputs as well. वो feedback हो सकता है, वो आपका implementation हो सकता है, reflection हो सकता है, but have good quality of it. Most people watch, save, consume, take notes, but उससे कुछ नहीं होता. We can also see that pattern in Instagram. Maybe people save it, right? People don't use it. Most of the people who gonna like outperform you guys are the ones who gonna implement. अगर आप डिज़ाइन की बात कर लो, कॉपी की बात कर लो, किसी भी चीज़ की बात कर लो, जो ज़्यादा कॉपी लिखेगा, जो ज़्यादा स्क्रिप्टें लिखेगा, that guy or girl will any day be better than the person who just like give ऊपर से ज्ञान. And it goes like for us as well. It's not like कि अपन को भी सिर्फ ज्ञान ही देना है. If we are not implementing things, we will also be very soon outdated. Even if you talk about like from last couple of months, I haven't used Photoshop, but what I have done earlier, वो अभी भी मेरी muscle memory में है. I can easily do it again. But कुछ नया होगा, I might not be able to do it. But वो चीज मैं कर सकता हूँ जो मैं actually पहले करता था. Because I have put in those hours. Those hours of execution is always your sacred thing. That will always remain true to you. ठीक है, तो वो जो implement वाली चीज़ है ना, don't shy away from that. And we all do that. We all do that because that's a uncomfortable task. Consume करना बहुत easy होता है. ये session सुन लेना बहुत easy है. Trust me. मैं ज्ञान भी दे दूंगा. मैं ज्ञान सही दूं या जैसा भी दूं. सुनोगे, लगेगा हाँ कुछ हो गया, थोड़ा टाइम निकल गया. What will translate? What you do after this. Then there is a framework. Locate great examples. Look into what others are doing. Figure out what are the best work. Pick those. Dissect them. Reflect upon it. What I talked about, extract pattern, understand structure, not just surface कि हाँ cool लग रहा है, क्या है, किससे बात कर रहा है, क्यों बात कर रहा है, how is it written, so on and so forth. You can dissect and you can figure out. Again, you can use AI यहाँ पे very easily. It's not like कि AI से पूछ नहीं सकते. You can use AI, you can use your colleagues as well. Then apply that immediately wherever you can. I know there are chances where we don't get to apply it, but figure out the way where you can actually apply it. Because अप्लाई नहीं करोगे it will go into drain. If I talk about Anushka, whatever you have done in last couple of months, if you go back, meet your college colleagues, if they haven't actually got into any internship, you will see a drastic difference between your thinking and their thinking. You will see drastic difference between how you can execute things and how they will execute things. हो सकता है उनने कुछ पढ़ के 2-3 वीडियो एडिट कर लिए होंगे, सेम टाइप के ही करे होंगे, यहाँ पे आपने भी शायद सेम टाइप के ही 40-50 कर लिए होंगे, बट नाउ यू कैन कॉन्फिडेंटली से ये वीडियो अगर एडिट करनी है, ऐसे करनी, आई हैव दीज मेनी इनसाइट्स, एंड दैट ओनली कम्स फ्रॉम एग्जीक्यूशन. नो वन कैन बीट दैट. नो AI कैन कम एंड रिप्लेस दैट. AI will replace the ones who are not executing. It is as simple as that. Then review brutally, use AI, peers and feedback, next version, iterate. This loops goes on. And this is not just one cycle. This is a loop, right? Like you have to start, brief हो सकती है, figure out the example, figure out the best work, dissect it, reflect or dissect whatever you call it, then implement it, then get the feedback on it, then start over again. And this keeps on going on. If I talk about college or universities, it's not a scam, but it's a well designed system in which everyone gets in, learn something similar and gets out. अब it doesn't matter if that curriculum suits you or not, ठीक है? And because of which we are like trained in such a manner, we don't voice our opinion, we don't question, we don't even understand how learning works. It's not just कि मैंने कुछ सीख लिया, एग्जाम दे दिया and I'll start learning. It's more about मैंने कुछ सीखा, मैंने ट्राई करा, I fail, I'll try again. And this is how things work. So we are done with this. Couple of reminders. Like कभी ये सुना है किसी को बोलते हुए कि मुझे तुम्हारा नाम पता है बट शक्ल नहीं याद आ रही? हमेशा सब लोग ये बोलते हैं कि शक्ल याद आ रही बट नाम नहीं पता, राइट? बिकॉज विजुअल एसोसिएशन इज ईजियर फॉर आवर ब्रेन. कुछ देख के मैं उसको रिमेंबर करना इज वे ईजियर. तो ट्राई टू ट्रांसलेट वॉट एवर यू आर लर्निंग और ट्राई टू लर्न इन टू अ विजुअल पैटर्न, ठीक है? इट विल बी मच ईजियर फॉर एवरी वन. इफ देयर इज सम पैटर्न और सम विजुअल एसोसिएशन तो वो चीज़ याद रहती है, ठीक है? अनदर इज मोमेंटम चेंजेस एवरीथिंग. When I talk about momentum, momentum is about all about like if I'm sitting, if I'm like engaging or learning something new, जितने कम distraction होंगे उतना quickly I'll get the quality input, ठीक है? So there is another thing called Pomodoro. So it's more of like you work for 25 minutes, then you rest for 5 minutes, then you again work for 25 minutes, and you do this cycle like couple of times, ठीक है, in a day, and इससे focus बढ़ जाता है. Actually, that's what everyone says. I have tried it, but it didn't work for me. I don't use it, but it is something you guys can try. It's another cool thing that you can actually follow. Momentum is something that is very important.